Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a very soft and girly date night makeup tutorial for you. I figured since I'm going out later tonight, why not take you guys with me while I do my makeup. Also, in the future, I'd like to film a Q&A video, so if you guys have any questions for me and want to get to know me better, please leave them in the comment section down below. And without further ado, let's just jump right into it. What's up guys, today I'm starting off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Color Correcting Primer. Green primers are great for combating any redness you might have. While I let that primer sink into my skin, I'm priming my eyes for eyeshadow with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. To begin the eye look I have in mind, I'm first taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going in with Blonde Fresco. It's a really beautiful shade and I'm blending that out in my crease. I'm using the Sephora Pro Blending brush. Next, I'm taking the Too Faced Peachy Mattes palette and going in with the shade Peach Sangria. I'm placing it in the outer V and blending inwards. I pack it on little by little until I'm content with how it looks. After that, I'm carving out my lid with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and then packing on this shade Just Peachy from the Too Faced Peachy Matte palette. This will be a nice base for the glitter. To prep for the glitter, I'm taking the NYX Glitter Primer and placing that over the peachy lid shade, then going in with the NYX glitter in the color Rose. I'm quickly touching up on the Peach Sangria shade and blending it out. I'm taking the Morphe 35P palette and taking the shade in row 5, column 5, and placing that on top of Peach Sangria in the outer V and blending it forward. Moving on to the face, I'm mixing two foundations, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation and the Becca Complexion Cream. I added in the Becca for a more full coverage look and to provide additional coverage for my hyperpigmentation. Next, I'm taking my absolute favorite concealer, which is the Urban Decay Naked Concealer. I love how bright it makes my under eyes look, and it doesn't tend to crease on me. For bronzer, I'm taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. This was my first time using it, and I absolutely love how their products smell like chocolate. Next, I'm taking another first impression, which is the Nars Orgasm Blush. I love the color and it has some glitter in it, so if you wanted to skip highlight, this would be a good blush option because it gives a nice radiant glow. Recently, I've been putting the Mario Badescu facial spray on my beauty blender and quickly going over my entire face. I find that it sets all the product really well and gives me a more glowy and hydrated look. Moving forward, I'm taking one of my all-time favorite highlighters, which is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Illuminizer. Next, I'm going in with my staple brow product, the Benefit Goof Proof in the shade 4. I'm quickly taking some of the highlight I used on my face and putting it on my brow bone. Here I'm going in with the NYX Retractable Lip Liner in the shade Pretty in Pink, then putting the Kylie Cosmetics Liquid Lip in Cocoa K on top.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really
I like to make my lips more precise, so I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer all around. I find it necessary to use the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder in almost all of my makeup looks.
'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause
I'm finally adding some falsies. These are the Lilly lashes in the style Miami. I just placed an order on Shop Miss A for a bunch of different lashes, so you guys won't see these ones again for a while. Clearly, I got distracted and decided to have a little dance party. Once the lash glue is dry, I cover up the lash line using the shade Peach Sangria. I currently use a duo lash glue, but I want to try a different one, so if anyone has any recommendations for me, please leave a comment down below. Here I'm taking the same Sangria shade on my bottom lash line, then I'm going to go in with a brown eyeliner from Jordana.
sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound.
At last, I'm setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is my go-to and makes my makeup last all day. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.